I'm going to be showing you how to fix black screen when sharing your screen on Discord in your iPhone. So a black screen when screen sharing on Discord is common. So there are these fixes that you can try. Some of the quick fixes are enabling screen recording permissions. So to do that, you need to go to your settings first. Just be on your app library and go to settings. It's right there at the top, so just go ahead and tap there. Once you're here, you should say something like this. You just need to scroll down till you find privacy and security, which is right there. Once you're here, just scroll down till you find screen recording. If you cannot find that option, then you just need to go to Discord, open the app, it's right there, just go ahead and open it. And once you're here, you just need to share your screen. Just make sure that you do it correctly. Just tap on share screen, and when iOS pop-up appears, just tap start broadcast and wait 2 or 3 seconds before switching apps. Also, don't share restricted apps. Apps like Netflix, Prime Video, banking apps will show blank screen. So try sharing Safari photos, settings, or etc. to test. So if it still shows black, you may need to update Discord. Just go to your app store, just tap there and update your Discord, or you can try restarting your iPhone and all of these general ways. And this should help fix black screen when sharing your screen on Discord in your iPhone.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.